Today I want to take the opportunity as Wales Chief Scientific Advisor to mark British Science Week, a celebration of STEM, that's science, technology, engineering and maths, by bringing you a series of presentations from some of Wales' top science researchers that have been supported through the Welsh Government's Saor Cymru programme. Although small, Wales remains an integral part of the UK's world-leading research profile and is home to a number of innovative and dynamic research activities, several of which are recognised as world-class. These include aerospace engineering, energy technologies, cutting-edge metals innovation, marine technology, dementia research, automotive production, compound semiconductors, food production, advanced manufacturing and materials, data science, financial and professional services. Last year we were able to host a well-received session of talks and presentations here at the Welsh Government, but obviously this year we've had to move the event online because of COVID. Despite the horrendous loss of life and families bereaved, the disruption of businesses and livelihoods and harms to mental health, the COVID pandemic has also demonstrated to governments all across the world and the general public the vital role science, technology, engineering and maths plays in the world today, and in particular the collaborative mobilisation of medical science. Within a year, and against most expectations, scientists isolated the virus, monitored its spread and came up with several effective vaccines. In addition, the enforced lifestyle changes have helped reduce emissions associated with daily commutes and have provided for a global decline in the output of greenhouse gases. Never before has science professionals been more in the public eye. The work of scientists, researchers, innovators has come to the attention of households across the nation and increased our awareness of the importance this plays in our everyday lives. Sir Paul Nurse, the Nobel laureate, has described the pandemic as an opportune Apollo moment for increasing the visibility, importance and appeal of science, with chief scientific advisors on TV with the Prime Minister, in press briefings and on social media. As the Chief Scientific Advisor for Wales, I'm keen to promote the value of studying science for young people when planning their careers by highlighting how science tackles a whole range of worldwide challenges, be that protecting and vaccinating against COVID, climate change, carbon neutral energy production, automation, cures for cancer, cybersecurity, or the next evolution of gaming or social media. In all these endeavours, science plays a critical role. Some may think that science is not for them, that you will not make a difference. I want to challenge such perceptions and hopefully, by showing the range of work that some of our scientists are undertaking in Wales, help inspire you to think again and differently about your education careers and future choices. All of the researchers in the following presentations are supported by the internationally recognised Welsh Government's Saor Cymru programme. This programme was established in 2012 by Wales's first Chief Scientific Advisor, Professor John Harries, and was designed to help build on the globally competitive science base in Wales. The programme is a partnership between the Welsh Government, the Higher Education Funding Councils, Welsh Universities, the Welsh European Funding Office and the European Commission. Since the programme began, somewhere in the region of 500 researchers from 29 different countries have been supported through a £100 million investment. The Saor Cymru programme supports research across all areas of science, technology, engineering, maths and medicine. In response to COVID-19, the Saor Cymru programme funded 40 projects with a total investment of nearly £5.4 million to help pump prime research into tackling the pandemic. The research funded through this investment included projects to develop new ways of delivering vaccines, to analysing digital learning in Wales throughout lockdown, to using mathematical modelling to work out how COVID-19 might be present in indoor environments such as the classroom. And so I really hope you enjoy this opportunity during British Science Week to hear from our scientists working in Wales, talking about their fascinating research work. Thank you.